We really believe in Project Spark. This is going to be our third car that we've given away this year. At Midas, what we do is fix cars. So the one thing we can do is fix a car up and give it away to people so they have that gift of transportation, which is necessary in the United States.
Kalei came into our program about 7 months ago. She was facing a lot of barriers. One barrier that we're still working on and we're working through for a while was she lacked transportation.
Project Spark is giving a car away to Kalei, an individual that has been down on her luck, and we're here to help her out today.
My struggles mostly started when I left my son's father. Throughout that time, I also lost my car. I wasn't able to fix it. So it was just like things hitting me like time and time after that were just really difficult.
When we got the vehicle in, it was in pretty good health. There wasn't a whole lot wrong with it. Needed some brakes, needed some tires. Did a full safety inspection on it, made sure that it was roadworthy and good to go for both Kalei and her son.
Project Spark has given Kalei an opportunity to now have transportation. With that comes way less barriers. She can get a better job that can give her more sustainable housing. She can do family recreation activities that you can't really do if you're counting on a bus route at a certain time.
The guys in the shop came together, they worked together as a team. They all knew that it was being donated, and everybody wanted a part in it. Everybody wanted to do something with this car just to say that they took part in making sure that this car was roadworthy and ready.
This is a great event. We're going to publicize the Project Spark car and our donation to Kalei. We're going to talk about Midas of Janesville. We're going to get the community revved up. We're going to have a food truck. So it's going to be a great couple days here for Midas and for Kalei. Hi, Kalei. On behalf of our Midas of Janesville team and our partners at Napa Auto Parts, I'd like to present to you this fully refurbished Buick Lucerne in connection with our Project Spark program. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In addition to all our mechanics and team members that got this car ready, we'd like to thank Family Promise, who put us in touch with Kalei. We'd also like to thank 1-800 Charity Cars for helping with transferring the title to her, as well as all our partners, including Napa, Midas Corporate, and really everyone that's here today to make this a special day.
It's just so amazing that these reliable, reputable companies are helping create Project Sparks. You know, it's like a light at the end of the tunnel. It really is. Thank you so much for this gift, because I don't know how long it would have taken me to, get out of this rut if it wasn't for you guys.